In this video, I will show you an airdrop that can potentially give you thousands of dollars in profit without any effort. Let's get started by visiting the website called NodePay. The link is provided in the description. You will see that it uses network bandwidth to farm tokens, which are later converted into tokens. Now let me show you how to start farming tokens. Open your browser and search for NodePay extension. Click on the first link and then click Add to Chrome. I have already done this and started working on this project. That's it. You can now start farming points automatically. To boost your points, you can also complete missions such as Streak Challenge and more. Additionally, they have a Discord community where they announce important updates, including allocation details and snapshot timings. Make sure to stay active in their Discord server. If you have any questions, you can ask in the General tab. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.